I thought, okay, building maintenance, you can get tons of jobs with as much knowledge as they teach you in that lab.
Here is the main source of power. So once you connect all three of these and connect all of these, I will be able to have 3 switches here that are connected to every single light that runs through along with the fan.
Something just like clicked as soon as I went into that lab. I don't know, it came naturally to me. I would say just with the experience you get from that lab, it's gonna hopefully set you up for life if you use it correctly. Honestly, this school has been very, very kind to me, and I couldn't ask for anything better. I think they actually care about you as a school and not just, okay, you know what, you're a number on a sheet, let's keep passing you through and everything. Hope your grades are slipping, let's pass you through. I think they like truly care about their students and actually want to see them succeed in life.